Welcome to Spring LIB.
Okay, so here we start with the intensity equation for some angle theta goes like the peak intensity times the cos squared of pi d sine theta over lambda. Okay, so we're looking for when the intensity is going to be I naught over 2. So we want to solve for when I theta equals I naught over 2. This will give us the half angle. Okay, so this will happen at what's called I theta over 2 when the intensity is half. So if we look and we have I naught over 2 equals I naught cos squared pi d sine theta, sine theta 1/2, I'll call it. It's the half angle over lambda. So of course we could divide by I naught and we get 1/2 has to equal the cos squared of pi d sine theta 1/2 over lambda. Okay, so we could take the square root and then we can look at the cos inverse. So we take the square root here, we get 1 over root 2, which is the same thing as root 2 over 2. And this is going to equal the cosine of pi d sine theta 1/2 over lambda. I'm going to go to a new page here. We know the cos inverse of root 2 over 2 is pi over 4. So pi over 4 will equal pi d sine theta 1/2 over lambda. Of course, we can cancel out these pi's, and we get that the sine of theta 1/2 equals lambda over 4d. So this is a very, very tiny angle, which means we can approximate this using sine of theta is around theta for small angles. We know it's a small angle because lambda is much, much smaller than d. Okay, so then we get that lambda 1/2 equals, I'm sorry, theta 1/2 equals lambda over 4d. So our theta is just going to be double this. So this is the half. So if I draw my peak here, this is the center. This is theta 1/2. So we want to double this to get the full angle. So then theta 1, I'll call it, equals lambda over 2d.